Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sahabat Pioneer semua dimanapun kalian berada. Oke guys, hari ini ada perubahan di beranda Pinetwork ya teman-teman. Dan di sini sepertinya ada cuplikan video ya teman-teman ya. Kita coba lihat di sini ada keterangan ya teman-teman. Sini kita coba lihat sebentar. Survei e-commerce baru-baru ini diluncurkan kepada masyarakat untuk membantu memahami bagaimana Pi dapat diintegrasikan ke dalam perdagangan lokal dan memfasilitasi rancangan dukungan dan program untuk perdagangan lokal. Hanya dalam waktu 24 jam, ribuan tanggapan tertulis dan video mengalir dari para pionir di seluruh dunia. Kami dengan senang hati menampilkan beberapa tanggapan video. Sebuah blog yang merinci temuan dan analisis survei akan dibagikan nanti. Pantau terus. Oke, jadi di sini hanya ada keterangan video ya teman-teman ya tentang survei dari local commerce ini ya teman-teman ya. Nah, di sini diterangkan bahwa Pi nanti akan bisa diintegrasikan dengan pembayaran lokal ya teman-teman ya.
The Pi core team has seen many pioneers make use of Pi in their everyday lives. This is a unique strength of the network that showcases decentralization of token ownership and diversity of use cases. We were interested in learning more from pioneers across the globe on how they are using Pi as a currency and integrating it into their local businesses and commerce in a decentralized way. So we recently reached out to all of you asking how we can further expand opportunities to promote real-world utility in Pi Network. As you know, Pi's goal is to make the use of Pi in everyday transactions as seamless and widely distributed as possible, whether it be online or in local communities. We received over 80,000 responses in total in just 24 hours. Today we're excited to share some video responses and ideas from our community. First, we wanted to understand the diverse ways pioneers would integrate Pi into local businesses beyond just payments. Let's hear about the innovative applications from businesses across the globe.
I am in the United States, upstate New York, and I would be interested in using Pi for my rideshare business, for Uber, Lyft, stuff like that. I think that would be great.
I'm from the Philippines, and I'm a licensed real estate salesperson, and my business is with the real estate industry. So I can actually use this Pi to integrate in my business. For example, if I have a prospect buyer that want to purchase a property, so we can integrate the Pi as a payment, and I can also use that to attract more prospect buyers from Pi community, so that we can encourage them to also use Pi.
Hello guys, but my business is marketing and consultation. I would love to implement Pi payments into my marketing scheme. Pretty much looking into diverse backgrounds, whether it's businesses or just peer-to-peer. I'm open to marketing for Pi payments.
I think the best way for Pi to, involve themselves into businesses like online businesses is to, verify people who come online and buy stuff on your page. And when Pi is on that platform on your website, it becomes more easier for people to have trust on your website. And not just the payment method, but Pi itself as a brand. When it comes to a website, it will give a lot of trust to the customers to buy products.
Hello everyone, I have an outdoor furniture business as well as a retail. We are located in Melbourne City in Australia. I would integrate Pi into my business by offer exclusive discounts and promotions to customers who pay with Pi. Also, I will create a loyalty program that reward customer with Pi.
I own and operate a fast food joint in Nairobi where we serve burgers, tacos, pizza, and French fries. I have 2 employees and I have been in business for the last 3 years. We open every day of the week. In addition to payments, I could process my employees' salaries through the Pi network. Also, I can reward customer loyalty through the Pi network. Thank you. I am a proprietor. I own a school here in Nigeria, a secondary and primary school, and I would like to integrate Pi payments into the school payment system. And the best method that can encourage me to integrate Pi payments into the school fees payments platform is if a scan to pay method is introduced into Pi network, that these parents should be able to just come and then scan a barcode to make payments from directly from their Pi wallet into the school.
Moving on, we were curious about real-world examples where Pi is already making an impact. Here's what some of you shared about its current use.
The name of business is Danny Doni. They are selling bread, dessert, and beverage and coffees. They are located in Cheongju City in South Korea, and they accept 100% Pi payments.
I am from India and I have a business of gold and silver jewelry, and I am very interested in Pi, and I accepted Pi in the form of payment in my shop.
Hello Pioneer, I'm from Tanzania. This is my business. I used to sell those roofing. You're welcome, and also I accept Pi as means of payment. You're most welcome.
Yes, Pi have been used in a transaction, especially in my region. In Abuja, it was used as an exchange for a piece of land and for grocery shopping, and as a means or as a form of payment.
It was several months ago. We are looking for a resort so that we can hang out and we can enjoy our weekend. So I was able to see a post in Facebook post. Fortunately, they're accepting Pi as payment. So what happens that I was able to check in on the resort with my family for almost 3 days, and I'm not used any other payment, but only the Pi. It's really actually very helpful, and it's really encouraging for a Pi user.
Lastly, we sought proposals on easy and effective ways to weave Pi into the fabric of local commerce. Let's delve into these suggestions.
Hey guys, I was just thinking that if you could have an extension to the Pi app to pull up a QR code and be able to scan it at places like gas stations and stores to make cash withdrawals with it, I think that would be very useful. Thanks.
Real simple actually. To me, I see this becoming a reality in two phases. Basically, on board the public and you educate the merchants.
I'm from India, Kerala. We can, for example, if you make Pi Pay, we can scan and purchase everything through that app, like GPay or PhonePe or other money transfer app.
I would think maybe to introduce the Pi network to whom or whatever business that it would be integrated into. That's what I.
We pay the Pi by using the wallet, and I think the direct payment like Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, like Google Pay, would be one of the good ideas to directly pay the goods and services from mobile phone, and also kind of a Pi card, which is real time connecting to the Pi wallet, showing the balance, would also be a good idea. Using the Pi card would be an easy way for seniors to use, for people to use.
I want to integrate Pi my business, and I'm based in Mumbai, India, and I want to integrate Pi as a QR system for the convenience of accepting payments.
Yeah, of course. We can create a merchant acceptance program, develop a program that encourages local businessmen to accept Pi. So you should give the incentives to the Pi users or who can do shopping or anything. Incentive offers, rewards, discounts, and mostly we should collaborate with the government and the local businessmen.
Thank you to each and every one of you who contributed. Together we're shaping the future of Pi's use and utility globally and in local economies. Stay tuned for more collaborative initiatives, and let's continue this journey of innovation.